mask. Udah subscribe. Apa mama? Baru ya itu tuh. Itu ya itu. Ada ada sih. Hello guys, welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? I can see there are 10 people. Oh man, how many people I have? So I have 10 people and I have got 3 very nice like. So 7 people. Oh, I have got 14 people. I got 3 like. I need 11 more like. Please don't do that with me. That is not legal. Okay, give me the like. I need like. Don't skip that part. I'll just remove this one. I don't need that one. I have this breakaway gap. I'll just mark it as a breakaway gap. Can you guys hear me? Let me know that you can hear me. Breakaway gap. Comment the comment box that you can hear me. Voice is perfect. Let me know that. Good evening plus good night, Martin. Like and share. Thank you, Domino. Please, guys, please give me like, share. It's up to you. If you want to share, you can share. If you don't want, it's okay. It's perfect. Okay. I'm not worthy. No, nothing about the price action, but whatever I know, I deserve a like. Please give me the like. Don't skip that part. Why I'm here now? I have FOMC, which on I really love. So I am here to see how this FOMC will work. Okay. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Rahul, for confirming the voice is okay. Voice perfect. Thank you, brother. Yeah, voice is pressed like you. Thank you, Martin, for confirming that you have given me the like. Man, I don't doubt about you guys for whoever is commenting over here right now. I am not doubting you. I know everyone, I mean, you guys will give me the like because I only ask like from you and it's free of cost, to be honest. And you will give me that. I will just talk until 2, 5 minutes. I will just talk because this is FOMC. I'm expecting lower run, but at 2, or there two things can happen. First thing is at 2 we will see this. Okay? Then price will do something this type of run, then it will go again above until 230. After 230 I will expect this, or there would be different thing like this. Let me show you. It will come lower and until 230 it will do this type of thing. Okay, this type of things, and then 230 it will come here. Now you can say both way. I'm expecting lower run. That is my expectation because today is Wednesday. I want the expansion, so I am actually expecting lower expansion. First run of the FOMC is the fake run, so the way it will go, that is fake run. 230 run after the press conference, that is the real run, and that run we should take. Now, will you trade FOMC? Never ever. Did I trade FOMC? I never miss FOMC. Never ever I missed FOMC. Whenever I started my life, I took maybe 4 to 5 FOMC entry, one after another. Will you do that? Never. Until you understand the price action fully. When you will understand the price action, you are you are also permitted to take the entry. Don't think I am trying to make you domination or dominating. No, I'm not doing that. I'm actually warning you. So 3 more minutes I will talk different things, then I will watch the price. How did it work? I have this breakaway gap which can hold the price to go above this high. I really don't want to see that price will go higher than this high. I really don't want to see. But if it went to higher, then the consequent encroachment that, or the high, the new week opening gap high or the hourly breakaway gap high, can go until then. But I really don't want to see it will go above this high. At this level. Okay? So let's see how it works. And lower, you can see this is the breakaway gap. For taking this sell side liquidity, I really want to see it won't be taken to the first run. It will be taken to the second run. Okay, so I can see there are 17 people and I got 12 like. I need 5 more likes. 5 people didn't give me the like. I need your like, brother. Otherwise you can leave the streaming. I am very rude. Always I'm rude. Always I'm wrong. Okay, always I'm wrong. I need your like. Please give me the like. After that you can stay and you can see the boring lecture, whatever you want to see. My expectation is first run will be the upper run, the 230 run will be the real run. That means it will go for this sell side liquidity. Don't disturb internet, please don't disturb me. I'll just put 15 minutes over here and 1 minute. I can, so that I can see both market what is it doing actually. You can see there is the sell side liquidity and also this is the sell side liquidity. My expectation is market will take this sell side liquidity, but if it failed to take this sell side liquidity today, tomorrow is the continuation of the distribution, so tomorrow it can take this sell side liquidity. Okay? I will see how it works now. I'll just the, so on my right hand this is 1 minute chart, on my left hand that is 15 minute chart. I love to see 15-minute chart and 1 minute chart. I really love that. I told you guys, I don't like complication. Every time frame, I don't want to see every time frame. Okay? So let's see how it works. We have 19 seconds left for the FOMC news. Let's see how it works. Okay. Brother, can you make a video on full top-down analysis so I know exactly how to read proper price action? Why certain 15-minute favorable for certain data? Brother, is it really possible to show you everything by one video? I don't think so. I do the analysis in Saturday and Sunday, either Saturday or Sunday. I do that. Okay. So you have to join then there so that you will understand the weekly analysis. I mean, you have to come. I just can't make a video and can clear everything. I can't do that, brother. So this is the FOMC run. So it is going higher. That is my expectation that it will go high. That is my expectation. Okay. And this is the fake run. Remember, guys. First run is the fake run. Always it is fake run? No. But 90% of the time, first run is the fake run. Okay. Nothing is boring. You are very good. Just continue the great work. I will try, brother. If Allah left me over here alive, I will keep doing this thing. So you can see this breakaway gap has broken. Do I care about this? No, I don't care, because this is the run from this run is actually from the news. So whole the thing, you see, it is actually making a wick over here. I don't care about this. It has taken the buy side liquidity or something. I won't count that as my buy side liquidity has taken or this breakaway gap has broken. I won't count it like that way. Will I Am I looking for any entry now? No, I'm not looking for any entry. I'm just reading the price. I know the first run is the fake run from 2 until 2:30. I will actually judge the price how it reacts. Then after 2:30, I will start to read the price. Let's see over here what is price doing. 15-minute chart. Okay, it went higher, it is going lower. If it can go lower and take the sell side liquidity, that is different thing. Okay, then I will start to think until 2:30 how it reacts. Till now I have no direction. Where did it go? It went higher, it went lower. That means it didn't give us any clear confirmation what was the first run. It is not clear yet. So you have a neat and clean price action which will tell you how price actually react over there. Let's see. Okay, what is the first run? You will understand that, don't worry. When the run will be finished, you will understand that. Okay, can you raise your voice please? Guys, can't you hear me? I mean, is it okay now? Just let me know that voice is clear, because I always ask for my voice. So please let me know that voice is okay. Okay, again, please. Neuroy, by apna naam, I'm active. Thank you, Neuroy. My name is what is my name? My name is Price Action. I'm kidding. T2. You can call me T2. Terminator 2. T and 2. Very simple. Okay. To get the weekend live videos in Martin, thank you for confirming. Please, Ravi, watch the videos I have made in weekend. So you can watch. Thank you, Apostolos. Thank you, JD. If you have problem with the voice, always please just write it down, brother. I can't hear you, because I have a big problem with my voice. So whenever it is hard for you to understand, let me know that. Okay, please, that is a request. Okay, and I can see there are 22 people, 27 people right now. I got 17 like. I need 10 more like. There's 10 people, they didn't give me the like. I need the like from them. Okay, that is the one thing I really want to say. I need. Look at the price action over here. You are very confused. So look over here from the 15-minute chart. Okay, still now it is the up run, because I can see the green body. Now it is the red body. I need to see what is the first run. If you are confused from 1-minute chart, you will see the 15-minute chart. Guys, try to understand. There is no rules. Okay, there is no rules. You just wait for the first run. What is the first run? You have to determine that. Is it up run? It is a down run. You have to determine that. From all other confluences, we know market will go lower. I am expecting, not we know, I am expecting market will go lower. For going lower, I need uptrend first. Until 230, I want uptrend. If I see market is going higher, after 230, I will get the lower run. Very simple, guys. So don't be confused about this whole, what to say, this consolidation or choppiness or the volatility. Don't be confused with this. This is the thing. FOMC, CPI, and non-farm payroll, PMI, they do this type of things. Okay, I'm continuously talking. I'm just kidding. So, oh, now I can say until 230 we have nothing to do. Otherwise, I mean, instead of watching the price, is it going higher? Is it going lower? If you see it is going lower until 230, your expectation will be at 230 market will go high. Okay? But until 230, if you see it is going higher, then after 230 when the press conference will be done, it will go lower. Now when the setup will happen, I won't tell you. Okay, even I don't push my button, even though I won't put it here. Okay, but if you trust me, after the setup, after the run, I will explain where was the entry setup, because this is very sensitive. Okay, the news is very sensitive. I don't want you to get hurt. If any of any of you are actually here and waiting with a live account that you will take the entry, I don't want to take that risk. This type of run, actually there are so, if you put your stop loss over there somewhere, maybe just let me show you the thing, then you will understand. Just maybe you take your sell over there and you target it over here. Okay, just here, and you put your stop loss over there, so it is six handle. Okay, but when you will take the entry, you will see you take a loss more than 6 handle. You took a loss near about 18 handle loss. Why? Because this is kind of gap. Sometimes market use gap, I mean market makes gap using the volatility of the news. So stop loss actually doesn't work. It doesn't work over there. That's why it's very difficult uh, to react with the volatility, because stop loss doesn't work over here. Even the target profit also sometimes it doesn't work. You target for $100, but you will see you got already $1,000 profit. Why? Because market came here, your target was here, market came here, you got $1,000 where your target was only $100, because the whole price action over here was a gap. Market makes the gap. Okay, so you have to understand all of these things by how to Medius, how to use. What is Medius? What is use? I didn't get you, brother. We have a 1 hour volume imbalance. So I really don't want to go 1 hour, but let me check. Where is the 1 hour volume imbalance? Are you talking about this? I mean, this volume imbalance, something? Suhash is yeah, Suhash. It's because of slippage. Because of gap, I will say gap, because using the volatility of the news, market actually make the gap. If you call it as a slippage, okay, you can do that, but in my opinion that is gap. If you go to the second chart, you will see some kind of gap. Not always, but sometimes you will see some kind of gap. Okay, so in 1 hour chart, I really don't know where is the volume imbalance, brother. Here very little. No, it's micro contract. Oh, okay, I'm using the mini. Okay, so my micro is different. I mean, I really never trade on micro chart, so I have no idea about the micro chart. I know the mini chart. Okay, so Ravi, can you explain mean threshold? You're waiting. Uh, whilst we are waiting. Okay, mean threshold. It's same like the consequent encroachment. Consequent, we when we mark the 50% of a fair value gap or a weak gap, I mean 50%. or maybe new week, any type of gaps 50% is called consequent encroachment. And if you mark a water block, the 50% of the water block is called mean threshold. 50% of a proportion block is called mean threshold. Breaker block 50% mean threshold. Okay, so it is the same thing. Like this one is called consequent encroachment, and that is called mean threshold. I mean the 50%. Okay, Ravi. Hmm, let's see. So far we can see this is actually consolidating over here. No up move, no down move. I want to see the price action until to 230. My expectation is until 230 I will see something green. Okay, and then when the press conference will be released, it will take maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes. I mean at 237 or 236 I will get the real down run. Now am I right? I'm never right, never. If any of you, I'm just warning you again and again, any of you, if take the entry to your live account depending on my analysis, that is your responsibility. I You can't blame me for your loss. Okay, so this is very important. I'm just warning you. Okay, thank you, Ravi. Now this is the question and answer part. You guys please ask me the question. If you have any doubt, ask me the question. I really don't want to see that market will go above this high. That is my first thing. I don't want to see market will break this high. I mean it will go above this new week opening gap low. I really don't want to see that. And let's see, okay, how it works. Until now we have no, I mean up run, or we don't have any low run. Why? You see the run. Let me just mark the run. This is the low, this is the high. Okay, price is inside this run. This is the up move, this is the down move. Price is inside this run. Let's see which is the first run. You will understand when you will see the run. It is very easy to understand. Okay, and trust me brother, FOMC is the most easiest news to, to predict. Every time no, but you can predict the FOMC 70% of the time. I mean I am right about the FOMC for last 4 months, 4 to 5 months. Okay, I've forgotten, but 4 to 5 months I'm right. But I'm not, I'm not right ever. So whatever I'm telling you, everything will be wrong. After the price it will be right. Okay, before price everything is wrong. Review Aussie news journal, it is going to fall tomorrow. No, Ravi, I don't want to go over there. Please brother, I mean I want to stay in Nasdaq, but maybe I can go to the E-mini S&P, but I really don't want to go to the Forex, because what I don't do, I shouldn't talk about that. I don't do Forex, so I shouldn't do, I mean talk about Forex. You have to take the concept from future market, you have to backtest it to the Forex market. You have to do it by yourself, and then you will decide, I mean it is working over there or not. Okay, but the concept is always same. If you watch the Forex market or the future market, the concept is same. In future market you will get the precise price action. In Forex market you will see the manipulation, more manipulation. That is the difference. So if you put your stop loss here, the future market, you have to put your stop loss here, the Forex market, because you have to be careful about the manipulation. That is the difference, nothing else. Okay, please brother have confidence, you are correct, that's why we are here studying. Oh really? That's good. Thank you brother, but I am not correct, I am wrong. Always I'm wrong. If someone takes entry, that's up to them, you just continue to yeah, that's the reason is thing. 2 to 3 days ago, I don't remember, someone actually messaged me to my Twitter that he took some loss because depending on my entry to the live. So I told you guys, whenever I put, I mean I will use this one, I will just sell over here. I will never put the stop loss where I should put it. Like for example, if I think price can go above this high, okay, I'm thinking that price will never go above this high, I will put my stop loss over here, and you will think, okay, this is above this high, so that is the perfect place for putting the stop loss, and you will be stopped out because price will go above that high. to take the, I mean, the buy side liquidity. Okay, so I'm not going to put perfectly the stop loss or maybe target profit anything. I won't do that. So that is the thing, guys, you have to understand. uh, if you do, I mean, take entry, that is your responsibility. And that guy actually blamed me for his loss, and he told me that whatever I'm teaching him, that doesn't work and I can't be profitable for 5 to 6 entries. And then what I have done to the Twitter, you know that. So that is the thing, brother. It is going lower, but it's okay. Maybe it's going to make some equal lows over here. I will see. I'll love to see that it will make some kind of equal lows. So I will just mark this one as my equal lows as well. Over here, broken. If it is broken, then I will go for here to make the equal lows. I will just, whenever price will go lower, I will try to make mark some equal lows or some sell side liquidity. Okay, because my expectation is just before 230 it will start to go higher. That is my expectation. Now price will go higher again, I don't know. After 230 price will go lower, I don't know. My expectation is it will go low, but it can go high. It can do that, brother. I'm telling you again and again, it can do that. Okay, I don't think he is not confident. He is just trying to warn others. Since people don't make that clear, Alex. Don't make that clear. I don't know. I have no confidence. Okay, please don't clear that, because if you do that, so many people will start to take entry. Trust me, brother. It happens. It always happens. Where is the sell side on NQ? Oh, brother, you didn't see the sell side. You see, this is the sell side. This is the sell side. See this lows, this low, and this low, and this low. They're the sell side. Why don't you see the sell side? This is the sell side, and also this is the sell side. You see this equal lows. This is the sell side, and now prices made another sell side over here. This is also the sell side. Look, this low and this low, they're relatively equal lows. So just let me mark it clearly. So this is also the sell side. We have so many sell side below us. We have to wait until 230. I mean, at 230 the press conference will happen, so until 237 or something. Okay, I want to see some kind of higher run before 230. After that it will make some kind of setup over there. After that it will break down lower. Before 230 I really don't want to see some kind of lower run, but if it gives me, so far I can see it's a lower run. Okay, so far is a lower run, but I will wait until 230. If this run is much more cleaner than the higher run, my expectation will be changed, and I will think, okay, maybe market will go higher, but I am not going to take any entry, because all other things, I mean, the narrative, the weekly bias, everything is telling me market will go low. But if it shows me just a run showing me that market will go higher, I am not looking for any kind of buy setup. If I were in my live account, I would do that. Okay, so I'm just telling it. Now I can see there are more than 30 people, and I got 26 like. So there is still 5 to 6 people that didn't give me the like. I want the like. I really want the like. I deserve the like. I deserve it, man. Trust me, I deserve it. If you stay with me for 1 week, you will understand that why I am telling you that I deserve the like. Hey, new. So you have just joined? No, I saw your message before. Why are you telling me hello now? Okay, it's okay. Guys, do you have any confusion about the price action over here? Just let me know, because to be honest, I have nothing to say until 230. That means 12 to 13 minutes, I have nothing to say. I have already told you what is my expectation and how I am expecting price will react. It will go above, some clean above run, then it will make some kind of setup over there before the press conference. Then it will tap, I mean, it will give us a setup, I mean, the entry chance. Then it will break lower. That is happening for last near about 4 to 5 months, on after another. Okay. Hello, Dada. What travel gap means? Can please explain little bit? What travel gap means? I have already described that two times. Okay, travel gap. It's a good question. No, Suash, no, I don't think about, I mean, I will never take a personal mentorship, or where, I mean, if I need to, if you guys need to pay me, I won't do that. If it is free, I will do that, but personal, my, I mean, one to one, it is not possible for me because I'm very busy guy. Okay. In disconnected and back. Oh, okay, you disconnected and back. Okay, no problem. So what is fair value gap? Fair value gap, three word: fair, that is not unfair; value, which is not valueless; gap, gap is gap. Okay, so this is the gap. This gap can be fair or unfair. It it can have some value, it can have no value. I mean, it is very difficult for me to repeat the things again and again. Fair value gap means which gap has something to do in this market. Every gap is not fair value gap. There are some gaps that is only the value gap. I mean, the just a gap, not fair value. That doesn't have any fair value. The value, you understand the value means, right? I have some value, that's why you are here. I have, if I was valueless, you won't be here. So every gap is not valuable. Some gap is which has no value. Now the value, maybe this gap has some value. Is that fair value or is that unfair value? I mean unfair, okay, not fair. So this is the way you will define which gap is you see the breakaway gap, that is actually the fair value gap. Below the fair value, I mean the below the breakaway gap, the gap, that is the fair value gap also. When this fair value gap is traded, that fair value gap turns into just a gap, which gap should be balanced. That is not, that is not anymore fair value. This is the breakaway gap. This is the fair value gap. Until it is balanced, this will be as a fair value gap. Okay. I don't know. The fair value word, why ICT use? Yeah, I mean, ICT never talked about that. I was thinking why ICT always tell this as a fair value gap. Why it is called fair value gap? I actually asked me so many questions by myself because I told you there was no one to whom I could ask the question. So I try to discover thing why this one is fair value gap. And this is how I have discovered so many things, guys. So many things. Which gap should work? Why ICT is telling this is fair value gap? These questions actually helped me to understand this concept much more clear. I think you got your answer, Avi. Past results don't guarantee future performance during FOMC. Please be safe. Yeah, Steven, that's the thing, brother. I mean, the news, I am always, not only news, whenever I'm telling you some direction, I am always wrong. Okay, after it happens, I am right. But before it happened, I am always wrong. So please, you all of you are here to learn, not to take entry. Be careful, guys. If you think, I mean, it is not helpful, you can leave. I am not telling you to stay over here, but please don't stay here only because to take some kind of entry. Okay, now you can see this is the run, I mean the higher run, what I was expecting, some kind of higher run. So before 2:30 it is going higher. That is actually made, that is making me more confidence that market will go low. Now market will go low, I don't know, I really don't know that market will go low or high, but I am expecting market will go low. And because I am seeing this thing, my narrative is telling market will go low. The sell side liquidity is telling me that it should be tapped. All of these things telling me market will go low. When, how, I'm not telling you it before it happens, because it is very difficult to tell you the same thing again and again. So it's 23, we have 7 minutes left, I mean near about 6 minutes left. I'm just coming back, I need to drink some water, I forgot to drink water. I take my dinner, I forgot to take it, I mean take my water. Okay, I hope you guys will forgive me for my, for this. I really forgot to drink some water. So we just learn from you. Thanks. Oh no, thank you, you're my brother. Thank you. Okay, I'm just coming back. I came back. Oh man, don't press the buy button, press the like button. Yeah, don't press the buy button, please press the like button. I love to get the like from you guys. Do you have any confusion that this is the higher run? I mean, it is going high before 2:30. I can see this is going higher. I mean, it is going higher. This is the thing. Now, don't think it has taken the sell side liquidity, has given you very nice market structure shift. Maybe it has traded this water block. Don't think like that way. As per ICT, the first run is the fake run, and I am also believing that this is the fake run. Okay, so let's see how it works. I'm right? No, never I'm right. So this is all I can say you. We will see. If it went lower, that will be expected. If it went higher, I'll be surprised. To be honest, brother, I will be surprised, and I don't like to be surprised. And please give me like, give me like. Except asking like, I have nothing to say. We have 30 seconds left for the press conference, so I want to see at 2:30 we will get the run. I don't think so, because press conference actually takes 1 minute to 2 minutes maximum. So let's see, and I will tell you the setup. If it went lower, then I will tell you the setup after the run. Where was the setup? Okay, I won't tell you the setup now, otherwise you will push your button. I don't want you to push your button. Like, please. Thank you, Domino. How are you, brother? So this is 2:30, okay? So at 2:30 we are waiting for 2 more minutes, 1 or 2 more minutes. Within 1 or 2 minutes we should get our run, the real run. Let's see if it works or not. But if I get my run, I will tell you that I got my run. I mean, I'm telling you publicly, I'm expecting lower run, not higher run. Let's see. And please, nobody, please use the thing how to use this breakaway gap. Please don't use that concept over here. Please, that is request. Don't use that over here. This is news. Very difficult to trade. Trust me, brother. You will get hurt to press your button, because if you are wrong, you will be hurt. So what time is it? 31:18 seconds. So I am expecting the run. It can take some more. I mean, it can start the run at 2:37 something. So far I remember. I mean, 5 to 6 minutes we will wait. 5 to 6 minutes, okay? Because I'm sorry if I tell you that 1 or 2 minutes. We should wait for 5 to 6 minutes, okay? This is the run. No, I don't think so. The run. Still now, I'm not thinking this is the run. If it went higher, okay, I'm wrong this time. At this time I'm wrong. I'll be happy to claim that I'm wrong. So wait, he's actually doing the press conference type of things. We should wait. Hmm. And when will react with my expectation, I will tell you I'm never wrong. But if it doesn't work like that way, I'll tell you that I'm wrong. Still now I am seeing this is the higher run, okay? Look at this. This is the first run and the higher run. So I'm seeing this as a higher run. Now it has made the relatively equal highs. This is the buy side liquidity. So I really don't want to see that this high is breached. I mean, market went above this high. I really don't want to see that. But if it went higher and take the buy side liquidity, okay. And all of you know what does I mean by break. Break means I want to see some kind of body close above the high. If this body closed over there, then that high is broken. Until then, this is not broken. So that is for further confirmation. Let's wait. He's he's actually talking to the press. Whatever decision he has taken at 2, he's just expressing his that decision to the press. Okay, let's see. If this candle close below the new week opening gap low, is it broken? No, it is not broken. I really want to see it will go lower, but it is what it is. If it went higher, go high. Now it is broken. I mean, this high has already broken, and I really didn't want to see that, but it is. We have to wait some more times until 37 or 38. I'm 237 or 238. I'm not thinking this was the run for the press conference. I'm not thinking like that. Has traded the consequent investment. Till now I'm okay. I'm happy. To be honest, but I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Go below, go below, go below. Go to the downside. Don't make me wrong. If you make me wrong, I'll cry, man. Maybe this is the first time you are going to see how difficult it is to watch the price, and you are expecting it will go low, but it is going higher. How difficult? It's very difficult. So, I mean, if you were in the live money and if you would like to take this entry, you will start to think it's going higher. Maybe it will take the buy side liquidity over there. So I should go for buy from here. That is the part of the psychology. You have to work with your psychology. You can't just chase the price. Okay. Okay. This is the run from the press conference. Okay. I am believing the run is actually doing right now. This is the run from press conference. The run has started. Okay, I want to see it will go lower. That is my expectation. It will go low. I really don't know. I really don't know, but my expectation is the run has started already. Okay, from the press conference. Now let's see. And to be honest, until now I didn't see the setup yet. For the sell setup, I didn't see any kind of sell setup yet until now. Okay, so if I see the setup, I will tell you. Man, if I would take my buy. That was a very nice buy setup, though I am not waiting for the buy. It has taken the sales and liquidity. It has given market structure shift. That was the fair value gap. If I would take my buy, I would take over there. Now it has traded the water block. It's going higher. Oh, how beautiful was that? But actually, I am not waiting for the buy. I'm waiting for the sell. I'm really waiting for. I'm not waiting for the buy. I really don't want to take buy. That is the thing. That is the fact. If I am wrong, I will be happy because I didn't press my button. I didn't see any buy setup. My expectation was telling me that market will go low. Everything was telling me market will go low. So I didn't take short because there was no short setup. I didn't take buy because I didn't expect market will go higher. That means I have no loss over here. Every time I have to do the profit, no. Sometimes I have to avoid the loss. If I can avoid the loss, that is one kind of win. Don't go low, don't go low, don't go low, don't make me right. Please, this time don't make me right. I want to be wrong. To be honest, brother, I want to be wrong. Really want to be wrong. Please don't make me right. Please don't make me right. Please, that is request to you. I want to be wrong. I want that it will go higher, and I will tell you that, brother, sorry, I'm wrong this time. I don't want to be right. Uh, the thing is, I mean, what setup you were looking for MS with breakaway gap? Remigius, I told you that I will tell you the setup after it happens. Okay, I am not going to tell you the setup before it happened, because if I talk about that, I don't believe everyone. Okay, there must be someone who will press their button. I believe that. So I really don't want to do that, to be honest, brother. When I will explain the setup, you all will understand. All of you will understand. So I really want to be wrong this time. I want to see market will go higher, and I will tell you that, brother, sorry, this time I'm wrong. I really would like to say that. So please, nobody, please still ask me anything until it has cleaned at least this sell side, sorry, this sell side liquidity. Okay, don't go low, don't go low, don't go low, don't go low. Oh, man, market never listen to me. That is the wrong with, what is wrong with market? See, it doesn't listen to me, never ever. Now, new people, you guys can give me a like because I'm wrong. Please give me a like. I will ask you the entry, and you guys will tell me where was the entry. Okay, when it will take this sell side liquidity, you will tell me where was the entry. When it will take the entry, I mean, it will take the sell side liquidity, you will tell me where was the entry. I want to be wrong this time. Still now I'm telling you, I want to be wrong. I'm not always right. Could have wrong. I can see there are so many people, but I'm not getting like. Domino, are you there? What is Medius, brother? Neroy, what is Medius? I really don't understand what is Medius. Judah swing, that is thing I will explain when I will be in front of the market at 9:30. I will explain that later. But Medius, I really don't understand what is Medius. Oh man, please don't make me right this time. No, please. Please. The request to you, man. Oh man. See, just clean the sell side liquidity. That means if anyone took their sell from this breakaway gap, if any of you took the sell from this breakaway gap, they have already taken their partial. Any of you. This breakaway gap is not going to hold the price. It is going to take this sell side liquidity. So after taking this sell side liquidity, they will close another partial over there. They will put their stop loss above this breakaway gap. I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about other people. Okay. I would like to see the E-mini S&P. The E-mini S&P had the better way. I mean better chance. Just taken the buy side liquidity. Actually, I was looking for this setup. Okay. To be honest, it has taken the buy side liquidity. It has given me the market structure shift over there. That is the market structure. If this is the fair value gap, I actually took this entry, my FOMC, I mean FOMC entry, that was my entry to this fair value gap. That was my entry. My target would be here to this. So, but price will go. How long price will go? Let me check actually. Let me. You can say it will come until this volume balance. You can say that, okay? Until here, because I can't see any clean sell side liquidity over here. The imminent fee, I don't see that. But this volume balance, it's better for targeting profit. And to be honest, brother, if I would take the entry, that is my entry for FOMC, this type of perfect entry, which I don't see in Nasdaq. If I would take my entry to the Nasdaq, I would take my entry to the breakaway gap. When I saw this candle has broken this breakaway gap, this specific candle, the very next time when market came to the lower part of the breakaway gap, I would take my entry over there. Where would be my target? This sell side liquidity, because this is FOMC. I'm expecting more volatility, so I will target my over here. I will take some partial over there. I will target my profit. I mean the target profit will be here. Will I go for this sell side liquidity? No, though I'm expecting market will come here. Maybe today today it can come here or not. I really don't know. But tomorrow is the expansion. I mean continuation of the expansion, so it can be hold over here for tomorrow. Okay, I'm not sure about that, that it will take today or tomorrow, but at last it will take this sell side liquidity at last. Okay. This is hindsight. I can see there's so many people, and they will think this guy is actually using hindsight. Now he's telling you will take the entry over there. Oh man, seriously, don't think like that way. I'm always right. 90% of the time I'm right. 10% time I'm wrong. Okay. Okay. But I have to use, okay. Yeah, ICT man tells me this. Medius, I don't remember, brother, about Medius. To be honest, brother. Move, brother. Thank you. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you. So you guys when saw this run is going higher, maybe some of you will still think, okay, maybe market is going higher. This is the place where you have to be careful. You have to be careful, because that is the place for your psychology. Okay, that is the this fair value gap constant encroachment. I would like to see it will stay over there, but it can go back to the breakaway gap lower. It can go. I am not telling you that it can't go over there, because this is news. I want to see it will come. At least it will come. I mean, this should be its last range for up move. This constant encroachment, okay, that should be its up move. I mean, for the last range. But as it is news, it can go until the breakaway gap low. I'm not telling it can go over there. All of this is my expectation. Okay, if it would be a normal, I mean the normal market, I would say you just put your stop loss above the constant encroachment of this week, because you can go above the constant encroachment. This is the last barricade for stopping price going higher. But it is FOMC market, okay, so it can go to the breakaway gap low because the volatility. This is for further information. Please give me some likes, please guys, I need that. I'm repeating, I will keep repeat that, but I don't want to see right now. uh, you can see it is actually, let me just check it. I'm thinking like that way. Yeah, no, it has broken the mean threshold, so I don't see any barricade over here. Take this sell side liquidity except this breakaway gap. Okay, except this breakaway gap, there is no barricade. Take this sell side liquidity. I mean, from where market has reversed, it is not a place to reverse. It is valueless in my opinion, because it should, if it would come to the upper level of the breakaway gap, then I will be little bit confused. Maybe price will go higher to this fair value gap. See this fair value gap, it is still untraded. So maybe it will trade that fair value gap if it would come to the upper level of the breakaway gap. But you can see it didn't come to the above of the breakaway gap. That means it has returned from a random level. When it will go back from a random level, that is not believable for me. I mean, this is my the way I read the price. So it is what it is, but I'm not telling I'm right, I'm always wrong. I'm telling you that I'm always wrong. So if anybody try to press your button depending on my analysis, he is going to take loss. If you would like to take your entry depending on your analysis, you are welcome to do. I mean, I'm not going to stop you. That is your choice. I'm not telling you that please don't do that. I want to see it will go through this breakaway gap. I don't want to see any kind of respect from this breakaway gap. I want to see it will go through this breakaway gap. That is my expectation. Okay, let's see how it react from there. Uh, Come on. Why it is doing like that way? What is the reason? Oh, okay, okay, got it. We are actually going into the macro. That's why it is consolidating over there, because we are going into the macro. That is the only reason I can see. Uh, there's nothing else. But this macro shouldn't work because it's just after the FOMC, and all of this thing is manipulation by the human being. This is not the thing algorithm is doing. What is algorithm doing? Algorithm was telling market will go low. He just told market will go low, and you see whole run. This is the manipulation by human being. Whatever it is doing over here, this is all has done by human. The human like you and me, they are doing this. Okay, so this macro shouldn't work, but if it works, it's good. Then I will tell you, okay man, my macro worked again. I do that things, right? And I'm keep talking, you guys will say this guy is mad. Yeah, I need it, like I need 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 like Hans, Stephen, then Martin, Ovi, uh, then Neuroy. Are you guys there? Are you here still? Who else? Rovi, so far, yeah, Rovi, Remigius. Okay, price is going higher, but I wanted to see market will stop to this constant encouragement. That on I was wanting to went over there. Okay, it's good. Maybe it will trade this gap. I really don't want to see that, but if it done that type of things, I will accept that. Okay, I will accept that because this is the manipulation. I mean the aftermarket manipulation. I will accept that. For the Now, what do you say? I'm wrong here. I mean, it is. I wanted to see that it will hold here, but it went above the consequent encroachment. It went over here to the lower part of the breakaway gap. I'm wrong. I wasn't waiting for this entry over there. If I would take my entry, I would have done over here. My target has already filled. I mean, I'm already taken my stop. I mean, the what to say, the partial over there. But you can see the that one. It has taken the buy side liquidity. It has given you very nice market structure shift. Let me remove this one. This is your market structure shift. Let me mark the market structure shift. Your market structure shift. It has done here after so many times. Okay, where is your first fair value gap? Do you see any other fair value gap except this one? Is there any fair value gap in this leg? I don't see. That is my only fair value gap. This is my fair value gap. It has traded now. It has given us the entry right now. This candle has got the entry over there. Do you think it has done its down move? I don't think so. I see it has made another equal lows over here, another sell side over here. So many sell sides below the market. I'm expecting market will go lower again. Why it has gone over? Sorry, it has gone over there. Trade this parallel gap. That is my expectation. Let me check the emission. Yeah, it failed to go to this parallel gap, but over there it has done job over there. The Nasdaq actually trade the parallel gap right now. If anybody failed take the entry over there, maybe they will take their entry over here. Okay, no, now will you take the entry? Please don't do that, brother, because it has already taken the sell side liquidity from here. It can go above. To be honest, brother, it can go above. Please don't press your button. This is the thing I'm expecting. Market will always work with my expectation. No, it's not true, brother. So please, nobody, please press your button. If anybody actually failed to take their entry over there, they will take their entry over there, because market went lower, so many people has taken sell. Now it is going higher, everyone will take buy. You guys got the, I mean, this was the place where was the support level. Okay, so they took, when it came here they took buy, it went higher, it should go lower, where, to this sell side liquidity, at least to this sell side. That is my expectation. Now you can see there is a very small fair value gap. I want to see it will go through this directly. I mean, no Mickey Mouse move. It will just, it will go through this gap, like that way, because it is respecting this one. I really don't want to see the respect fair value gap as a support fair value gap. Okay, I really don't want to see any supportive fair value gap. I want to see the resistance fair value gap, but no supportive fair value gap. That is my expectation. But it will go higher and take the buy side liquidity. It can do that. This is the way it works over there. And anybody did write anything? uh, uh. Many, let me actually check what did you write it down. Like this. Thank you, Domino. Impress volume. I think I have read. I have read already. This, what's the type you are looking for? MS. Okay, I told that. Boom. Problem. Okay. Okay. What I have. Okay, Martin. So I think here, Martin. Thank you, brother. Ovinova. How can we use the breakaway gap as inversion breakaway gap? Okay, brother. The thing is, if I were here to take the entry, I wouldn't take my entry over here, to be honest, because whenever I use the breakaway gap, sorry, let me mark it, remove it. Okay, it will be confusing for you guys. Where it is going? It is going higher again. Do you think it will go higher? I don't think so. It is actually trading the order block. In my opinion, it is actually trading this order block. That is my expectation. So when it actually came to this breakaway gap, it should be rejected from the constant encroachment. I got that. Then little bit rejection before taking the sell side liquidity. If it could again come back to the low of the breakaway gap, I would take my entry. What I was waiting for, I was waiting for this, I was waiting for this, perfectly this setup, I was waiting for that. After market structure shift, it will give me a very nice fair value gap. It will trade that fair value gap, it will take the sell side liquidity. Maybe I will take a partial, then I will be stopped out to the break even. Okay, in this run I will be the stopped out to the break even, or maybe I will secure some more profit. Okay, little more profit. That would be my target. And how much, how many pips were there? Let me check. If you just mark from there to there, it's near about 54 handle. Huge, man, it is huge. After this thing, it is going higher, it is going lower, I don't care, because I'm already stopped out. Maybe at the break even, or maybe I have put some more partial. So I don't care about this run. Will you care about this run? No, you are not care, you don't should care about this run. Why? Because you are reading price from here, you are expecting higher run first, then the real run. You got this run, that's enough. Now you can tell me, brother, here I didn't get the setup because there was no market structure shift, and also there was no fair value gap trade. So what should I do? You have nothing to do. You have missed this move, you have missed this run. If you are in the E-mini S&P, maybe you would take that run. Will you take this fair value gap? I mean the breakaway gap entry? No, there wasn't any setup. It didn't even trade the lower part of the breakaway gap. If I am sure that market will go low, I would see, when I would see this candle has closed below the breakaway gap, I would take that entry. If I would do the paper trade, if it is about my live trade, no, I am not interested about this entry. But if this candle could trade little bit touch the low of the of this fair value gap, I would take my entry. If this candle could touch the lower part of this fair value gap, then I would take my entry over there. Okay? But here, depending on this breakaway gap, no, I'm not interested to take that entry. I would interested it, like I have shown you to the imminency how it reacts over there. Okay, still now I'm thinking market will go low, it won't go higher. That is not my expectation. It will go lower, that is my expectation. Okay, sure, brother. Hi, hey brother, how are you? Hans, you are there. Okay, thank you brother. Did you get anything? I think manipulation you cannot predict. Manipulation, I mean, if you know it is going higher, you will wait. If you have the direction, okay brother, look, it went above this high. This is manipulation. It went above this high, right? This move has went above this high. This is manipulation. It went above this high. This is manipulation. It went to the consequent encroachment. It is manipulation. When it was going higher, was there any sell setup? Was there any sell setup when it was going higher? No sell setup. You know the direction. You know market will go low. You know that. You are not taking sell over there, right? You are not taking sell. When you will take sell, when you will get the setup for the sell entry. Let me show the imminency because that will be easier for me to explain, because there was no setup in Nasdaq except the breakaway gap, so that is confused for you. That's why I'm just showing you this entry. Okay, look, when it gave you this market structure shift with this nice fair value gap, see this nice fair value gap, it came into the gap. This is your setup. Anyone has any confusion about this market structure shift? This low has traded this fair value gap. This is valid. You got your displacement. You got your fair value gap. You will take your entry over there. Where should be your target? You see this low and this low, they are relatively equal low. That should be your target. I didn't see the the handle over there. If I would see the handle is near about 54 handle, I wouldn't do, I wouldn't continue until that sell side liquidity. Though it is, volatility, I really don't know what I would do. But if I would say when price came here, I'm already profitable near about $1,500. Maybe I wouldn't continue the run. Maybe because I'm not greedy. I know my level. I know my limit, and you have to think like that way. You can't be greedy. That is the entry when it was going higher. Was there any entry? Do you really care about the manipulation, how far it will do that manipulation? We don't need to think about that. We should think about the setup. We got the setup over here. Look over here, we got the setup. How beautifully it has traded this fair value gap. Now over in Nasdaq, no, this candle couldn't reach to the fair value gap. It has stopped over there, somewhere here. Okay, so that was not perfect entry. Okay, it's rejecting from the fair value gap. CB audio. What does happen? Can't you hear me, Julian? My voice is not clear, guys. Let me know. Julian, you should hear me. Then is a downside. Yeah, Rahul, I'm just showing the setup over here. At E-mini S&P we had the perfect entry, but in Nasdaq we didn't have. Now it is going higher. Are you upset that you have missed this run? Are you upset? Let me go over there. This is, look over here. It, how beautifully it went higher. How beautifully it went higher. Are you upset that you missed this entry? So many moves, you missed it. Are you upset? You shouldn't be upset. I don't care about this run. ICT doesn't care about this run. Here you know the price action. It is very well known to you. First move is the fake move, second move is the real move. This is the real move, and now this is the normal price action. I mean the manipulation by human being. Everything is doing over here, it is done by human being. Until here, that is the algorithm. I told you, don't think it is going higher, so it will go higher. I'm expecting it will go lower and it will take the sell side liquidity, but instead of that, it went higher. I really don't care about that. Price has already given me what I was needed. I got it from here. That is enough for me. Every move you have to take, don't think like that way. If you think every move you have to take, you will be a loser. When you will remove the old breakaway gap, this breakaway gap, brother, are you talking about this breakaway gap or this breakaway gap? If you ask about this breakaway gap, I will remove that when it will be balanced. Until it is balanced, uh, I will keep that. Okay, so you see it has actually taken this one as a sell side liquidity. Then it has given you market structure shift. Just think, this is your market structure shift, this is your fair value gap. How beautifully price came here, it went higher. It is very easy to say after it happens. It is very easy. Okay, but what I have done over here, you have to think that the the thing I'm showing you, that you can read what I have done here. When it was doing this type of things, I told you I am expecting some kind of higher run. I got it here. Then I got this. Then the run is from here to here. That is acceptable because everything you could read. Now this thing, do you have any idea why price is going higher? I don't have any idea. It is going higher from here to here, then retracement here to here. I didn't know that it will go higher, it will break this new day opening gap or something. I didn't know that. I really don't care about that. Let me just check the daily fair value gap. It actually trading the daily fair value gap or not? Okay. Okay, so it is actually trading the daily fair value gap high. It has traded the full daily fair value gap. This is daily fair value gap high. Okay, let me just mark the daily fair value gap. Just so this is daily fair value gap high. Can I change the color? I will change it that I cannot. Then I'll be. So it has traded the daily fair value gap fully. It has traded the daily fair value gap. I mean, there is no inefficient place in daily fair value gap. I am expecting now price will go lower. That is my expectation. I really don't want to see price will go more high. Why it came here? I showed you that it came here because that was the daily fair value gap high. It has traded that daily fair value gap high. It's very easy, guys. If I show you after effect, it went higher. How beautiful the setup is. Sell side taken, market structure shift. But if you do that, it is gambling in my opinion because there was no narrative. There is no narrative. You really don't know where price is going. But when you took your short, you have some place where price could go. See this liquidity and the very low this liquidity from 15-minute chart. They're very clean. There is your narrative, or there is your something where price could go. Why price came here? Maybe it came here to trade the daily fair value gap high. It has done its job over here. That is my thinking. Still I am thinking price will go lower. Will I take a short now? No, I won't take my short. When I will expect the short, when this gap will be broken, then I will think about the short. Until now, I'm not thinking about short. Will you go for buy? I will never go for buy. Why? Because I have no idea where price is going. Until I have no direction, I'm not going to take any kind of entry. You can see it has taken the buy side liquidity. This low, I mean this low is actually valid for shifting market structure. If I get some kind of market structure shift with a very nice fair value gap, that is kind of thing when I can think about short, as I am sure market will go and take this sell side liquidity. But it is not perfect. I mean, you shouldn't look for this type of entry. I am trying to give you the perfect one. Here was the perfect one. Now you didn't take a chance. Don't worry, next time you will get a chance. How many times I have shown you perfection? How many times? I don't know actually how to make you more believable. Okay, Okay, Neura, yes. Okay, sure. We had an institutional order flow into deal in 4 hour time frame for E-mini S&P. Brother Shuash, I really don't go to 4 hour chart. Please don't refer me 4 hour, brother. Please, I really love to go daily, hourly, 15 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute. Okay, most of the time I spend in 15 minute and 1 minute chart. Most of the time, I want to make things simple. If okay, let me show you something. Okay, I'm just going to 5 minute chart. Look, if I come to this 5 minute chart, you will see there was a fair value gap over here, there was a fair value gap over here. Okay, and if I mark this fair value gap, you will see it didn't actually respect this fair value gap which I talked about, the breakaway gap. It should be the breakaway gap, but it doesn't actually respect this 5 minute fair value gap. So I have to fair value gap one above another. That means in 5 minute chart, whatever I told you, it doesn't work. Maybe most of the time you will see it doesn't work. If I go to 3 minute chart, I can show you so many different type of things. If you just keep changing the time frame, that means you are forcing market to give you an entry. That is the thing. You okay, don't believe me, and I'm not telling you, brother Suhash, so don't think I'm just telling you, I'm telling everyone. Okay, whenever you change the time frame, why do you change the time frame? Because you want to see some kind of fair value gap or liquidity so that you can get a setup. That is the only reason for changing the time frame. And if your psychology work like that way, you can't be a profitable trader. To be honest, brother, you have to strict. Don't go every time frame. It will complicate. It will be much more complicated for you to read the price. That's why I try to stay at daily time frame because of the daily bias. I would like to see how price is reacting over there. Then I go 1 hour chart for perfection. I mean, for some kind of like, see, there is the last fair value gap. Look at over here. This is the last fair value gap from hourly chart. Okay, this is the last fair value gap. So this fair value gap, I can keep that on. I can also add this fair value gap as well. As well, because this is the last fair value gap. Price should reject from this fair value gap. Hourly chart. Okay, I mean, if I don't see anything very, very clear in hourly fair value, hourly chart, I go to the 15 minute chart. This is my 15 minute chart. Look, not here. This is the 15 minute chart, and I really love to see the 15 minute chart. In 15 minute chart, I see this one. I will, if I just remove this hourly fair value gap and I put the 15 minute fair value gap over there. Let me just put the 15 minute fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap from 15 minute chart. Don't be confused. So this is the 15 minute fair value gap. Now I will come to the 1 minute chart. I will watch the 15 minute fair value gap, how is it is reacting. I can see it went above the constant encroachment. The constant encroachment is actually supporting. Do I care about that? No, I don't care, because this 15 minute fair value gap is still not broken. It is not broken. It didn't close above the 15 minute high. It still hold, this fair value gap is holding the price. It has the power to send it back again. What I am seeing is it is going higher. I am seeing it as a buy side liquidity taken. Whenever it will go high, I will mark that as my, the market is, I what to say, the buy side has taken. Okay, I'm not looking that it is actually going higher. I'm not looking like that way. No, it is going higher. It will keep going higher. It will take the buy side liquidity. You are wrong, brother. You will tell me that, brother, you are wrong. I will be happy to get wrong, because I was right over there. My profit is already taken over here. Now I don't care about this run. I am still reading the price. My narrative is telling me there was the sell side liquidity that is very clean. It will go and take that sell side liquidity. If it shows me that, I am interested to take entry. If it go against me, I am not going to take my entry. Okay. So guys, you have to understand, and you have to understand another thing. This is the non-farm payroll week. That is the reason ICT told us not to take entry in this week. Why? Because market sometimes go against your thinking or against your bias or something like that. Okay, so brother, it is very good for me to show you something that actually went against my expectation. Am I? Just tell me, Hans, Martin, or Obinobo, all of you are here. Just tell me, did I wait for this run, or I was waiting for this entry? Where I was waiting? I mean, from the beginning of today, from 2, what I was waiting, and what I was waiting, did I get an entry over there or not? Just let me know. Just write it down over there, because there's some new people, they can be confused. They can say this setup that was much more clean setup. They can think about that. Okay, so I need your confirmation that you guys know what I was looking for, and did I get that or not. I told you how to use the breakaway gap. I mean, the gap, it has to reject it from the consequent encroachment, then it has to come back again to the lower part of the breakaway gap. You will take your entry. When I saw this, I was expecting market will trade the fair value gap over here. I was waiting for the 22 YT model, but market didn't give me the chance. I mean, it didn't reach to the fair value gap over here. But if I would take my entry, just let me tell you like that. If I would take my entry, I would take it when it has broken the breakaway gap over there, come back again to the low of this breakaway gap, I would take my entry. Okay. I got it, brothers. Thank you. Okay, no problem, Rahul. I believe I traded 1 hour CBC also daily as and said. Okay, no problem, brother. Jillian Suresh, we had an instrument. Okay, Jillian, doesn't narrative goes along with high time frame bias? Obviously, a narrative is the high time frame bias, brother. Narrative is the bias. I mean, my weekly bias is market will go low. That is my weekly bias. Try to understand, brother. My weekly bias is price will go low. Narrative is how this week every day will work. Okay, is it clear? My weekly bias is my weekly candle will go low. That is my expectation. Now it will go straightly low. No, it will do some kind of things every day differently. So every day's narrative is different. Like Monday, I told you it will be price ranged. Tuesday it will be manipulation. Wednesday you will expect some kind of expansion. Thursday continuation of the expansion. Friday it will come back again into the range. So you can see it went to the top of the 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. In the meantime, it has traded this daily fair value gap high. Look over here. Body didn't close above the fair value gap. That means this it has already traded the 50-minute fair value gap. I mean the daily fair value gap. This is the high of the daily fair value gap. This low is valid for shifting market structure. This low, okay. This low is valid for shifting market structure because this low has traded this fair value gap. If market would like to go lower, it will give you the sign that I am going lower. It will give it to you. Don't worry, brother. Till now, it is telling you that I am respecting the constant enforcement. Though you can see it has actually broken so many times to the lower part. So many times, okay? So let's see how it react over there. Yes, yes, yes. I believe I trade. Okay, I got it, brother. Thank you. No problem, Rahul. I did not thought about it this way. Thanks for the insight. No problem, Remigius. Have to go. Thanks very much. No problem, brother. I hope we will meet again with my boring lecture. I hope that, okay. And I think so many of you are actually tired. I think we should close it now because I don't want to make you bored. Otherwise, you will never come back again to me. You will. Okay, before leaving, give me some likes. I want to see at least 50 like, brother. I have only 48 like. So if you think you can give two more like, any of you, just please give me two more like. I'll be happy with 50 like. Okay? And I'm wrong? No, I'm not wrong. I'm always right. Did I did I tell you the? I mean, did I lie? I'm always right, brother. If I had a chance, I mean, if I can meet with ICT for 5 hours, Okay, just for 5 hours. If I can meet with him, trust me, brother, I will be the best all over the world. I mean, I will be the best among the student of ICT. Okay, how many students ICT have, I don't know, but I would be the best student of his if I can just sit 5 hours in front of ICT. I have so many questions I didn't get answer. So I want to ask that questions to ICT. Why that? Why that? Why that? And if he gave me the right answer, I'll be the best all over the world. I can I can challenge you, brother. I can challenge you. I can take the buy, I can take the sell in the same market, in the same market. But I'm not showing you that type of things. That things I do in my Twitter. But I am not going to show you this, because if I show you the buy also, the buy setup here, if I explain this, you will be confused. Then you will think, okay, it is possible to take buy and sell at the same time. It is possible, but you are not ready. That for that you need to watch the market so many times. You have to watch. That's why I am not explaining this run. Trust me, brother, I am not explaining this run. I know how to explain this run. Okay, let me just tell you little bit. Okay, do you remember I told you it should come at the top of this breakaway gap, then it could come to the break, I mean this fair value gap. I told you when it has broken this fair value gap, this is the last fair value gap. Just, can I remove all of this? This is not important anymore. Let me mark all of this. I'll just keep the 15 minute. This one is the 15-minute breakaway gap. Don't forget about that. And let me look over here. I never changed my commitment. Okay? Do you remember yesterday what I told? I told you the setup, you remember the price actually came so far. I mean, it went come back again to the breakaway gap, and then it has been rejected from there. Let me show if I can. Yeah, it was here. Do you remember this setup? Let me actually remove this one. I will show you everything. Every YouTuber say that. Somebody actually commented. Every YouTuber say that he will give us everything. Where was it? Let me find that. Come on, I got it. Here, do you remember this setup? Yesterday I have shown you. It has taken the sell side liquidity, it has given you the market structure shift. Later market came to the constant enforcement of the breakaway gap, and it went higher. I told you I am not interested to take this buy. Why? Because market went so far, then it come back again to that fair value gap. You shouldn't take this entry. Why? Because market has already traded so many areas, so many liquidity it has taken. It has made some kind of buy side liquidity. It has taken that buy side liquidity. Now it can easily go to the sell side and take the sell side liquidity. That's why you are not permitted to take that entry. I told you that. This time it worked perfectly. Most of the time you will see it doesn't work. Okay. This is the example of that. The same example. Let me show it. And so if you can see, it has taken the buy side liquidity. It has given you the market structure shift. This is your fair value gap. Market has traded so many areas. Okay, then it come back again to this fair value gap. I told you not to take this entry. Why? Because it can easily go above and take the buy side liquidity. It can do that. That's why you are not allowed to take this entry. Do you get the example from there and there? Just compare it. Okay, whatever I'm telling you for your good. So when I saw it can't hold the price, this is the last fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap. It couldn't hold the price. It didn't trade the breakaway gap. It was just above the breakaway. It even reached the breakaway gap. That means it is hurry to go somewhere else. This is the sign. This was the sign. But did I get the sign before? No, I didn't get the sign. I was thinking why it has returned from there. until it has been broken. This fair value gap is broken. Until then, look this candle, it was closed at the above of this fair value gap. I wasn't sure it will go higher. Very next candle, when it has closed also above the, what to say, the new week opening gap, then I got sure, okay, maybe market is not going lower right now, it is going higher somewhere. After that maybe it will go lower. Until then it is not going higher. What is the upper level? Maybe I didn't see before, but that was the fair value gap high, that is the 50-minute high. Whatever, just think about no need to know where it is going right now. Okay, when it has broken, I got the confirmation market is going higher. It has broken above the consequent encroachment of the new week open gap. Look at the body, closed above there. This is the sign that market will go higher. You have to mark the fair value gap. You have to take your entry to that fair value gap. You have to put your stop loss below the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. This is the breakaway gap now. This is the breakaway gap. What price can do? It can come back again to the consequent encroachment, retrace from the consequent encroachment, then come back again to the top of this fair value gap, then it can go higher. So you have to be careful about the consequent encroachment. Why I am going to take entry over there? The reason is this is the FOMC. I know this is the manipulation. So this is kind of scalping. I'm not I'm not teaching you this type of things. Every move, I'm not going to share with you how to take every move. I will take short here, I will take buy here, maybe I will take short here, I will take buy here. No, I'm not going to tell that. What I'm telling you, how to read the price from beginning, and then you will take your entry. That is the thing I'm teaching you. I mean, I really don't know you guys are getting my point or not, but it is what it is. Okay, uh, traders to trust. Traders to trust. You are confused, I think. Please tag the video in your channel that I can watch to understand breakaway gap. Brother, I am actually talking about breakaway gap every video, every single video. So if you watch any live streaming from 2 weeks before, maybe you will get the information about the breakaway gap. Every video, brother. It's good to observe the price action. Thanks. No problem, Martin. And is it helpful for your development? Just let me know that, okay? I mean, it is helping you little bit or not? That is the thing I'm interested. Or you are just thinking that, okay, it's not actually helpful. Okay, I want your true opinion, and I need it. Okay, not 5 or 30 minutes. Okay, yeah, not 5 or 30 minutes. Okay, could you teach us how to trade, buy and sell, brother? Uh, Moniro, buy and sell things I do actually explain in my Twitter, but you will learn that by yourself. I don't need to teach that to you. What I'm teaching you is price action. Right now I'm not telling you both price action because that will made you confused. That's why I'm telling you only sell setup. When I have seen this one, I didn't explain that one. I want to strict with one direction. Otherwise you will be confused. That will be harmful for you. Okay, that will be harmful to, trust me, brother. Onimetric stones 49. Okay, so I think I got 49. Oh no, I got 54 likes. I think Onimetrics, you gave me the 49 number like. Thank you, brother. But I have already got 54 likes. I'm really happy for that. Stop loss and CEBPR. Stop loss at CEBPR. Price, stop loss at CEBPR. Balance price range. Yeah, here. See, yeah, stop loss will be below the. No, it is not balanced actually. But if price could come back again to the constant encroachment or the top of this fair value gap and then take the buy side liquidity, then it could be the balanced price. Buy middle point inverse fair value gap. Inversion fair value gap, that is different, brother. That is also difficult. I mean, inversion fair value gap is something else. I'm not a easy person. Like I'm not going to tell you, rather say this one has worked as a inversion fair value gap. So when it has broken, it come back again. That is working as a inversion fair value gap. No, I'm not going to tell you this. Whatever I'm telling you, I am giving you some rules. You have to follow that rules. If you see that rules actually worked, you will take your entry. If you see that the rules didn't work, you have no entry. Simple, brother. Without this, you can't be consistent profitable trader. You can't take sell buy at the same time. I don't do this to my live account. If I am waiting for the sell, if everything works, I take the sell. Why I get confident when price of the breakaway gap was over there, that market will go lower. I need a I need something that would tell me that you can take entry over there. That breakaway gap was the sign to take the sell. This all the sell side liquidity. This all the sell side liquidity. Maybe I would close my entry over there. Maybe I would take some partial over there. Then I would be stopped out at the break even, or maybe I would. I have a bad habit to trial my stop loss so fast. So maybe I would secure some profit over there. Maybe I don't know what would I do, but that was the run, man, and it's 54 handle, not a small run. Use. Harsh Verma, can I pass a challenge funded account by ICT strategy? Harsh, what are you talking about, brother? I am just wasting my time because of you guys so that you can earn 200 plus K US dollar, okay? Market US United States of American marking dollar. I'm just expecting that you will earn that much money and you are telling me that can you pass just a challenge? Are you kidding me, brother? Oh man, I'm disappointed. I really didn't want that. I want you to earn at least 200K. Let me write it down over there. I want all of you, whoever with me for last 1 month, I want all of you to earn this. I want all of you to earn this, at least this, because I want to meet all of you with, all of you guys. I want to meet with you. Whoever will earn this one within 5 to 6 months, or maybe 1 year, maybe 1.5 year, consistently you will earn some money every month. Maybe $10,000, maybe 50,000, 15,000, $20,000. I don't know how much you will earn, but when you will earn this amount, you will send me the screenshot. I know, I believe you. You will never forget me, because if any of you follow every instruction I am giving you, every instruction, not only the price action but also the psychological thing I told you, the thing I told you that if you get a chance to take a winning trade in a day, please close your chart, that type of things. Okay, if any of you follow every rules I am giving you, every instructions I am giving you, you can, I believe you can earn this much amount within 1 year. Sorry, you can earn this. I don't know we know he's here or not. I told him, I actually I talked a lot with him, because he actually doing some kind of, he's helping me about the uh, thumbnail and the YouTube video title. So I actually spent so much time with him, so he knows about my earning. Okay, so if Obi is here, please just write something. So I am expecting you guys will earn this much money within 1 year, and you are telling me that, brother, can you? You can pass a challenge or not? You made me disappointed, brother. I am disappointed now. Where from, brother? Okay, I am from Bangladesh, brother. When you say it needs to take buy side liquidity, the top of the current runs high needs to be taken for it to be balanced. When you say it needs to take buy side liquidity, the top of the current runs high needs to be taken for it to be balanced. For balancing a fair value gap like this, if you ask about this fair value gap, okay, let me, actually I have made a video to my YouTube channel. Please watch that video, everything will be clear, but I'm just telling you the summary. This is the sell side inefficiency, buy side, I mean sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. I got the buy side over here. So next time when price will come back again to the consistent encroachment, nobody can close below the consistent encroachment, or it will trade upper level of the fair value gap and it will take the buy side liquidity, the highest buy side liquidity, then it will be balanced. Until then it is not balanced. So I think it's clear. If you are confused, please watch that video. Okay, I have already made the video. It's inside the study section. Watch the study videos, guys. Trust me. Whatever videos I have put over there, I mean the videos I have just kept into this folder. Okay, let me just show you the folder. Where is the studies? Look over here. There is maybe 10 videos. Trust me, brother, all of these 10 videos are gold, diamond, platinum, whatever you call. This is all. This 10 video, please trust me and just watch this video. Whoever are actually struggling with the weekly analysis, daily bias, I have put some videos over here. Okay, I mean the daily bias, weekly analysis, I have done this. And also every weekend I do the, I mean the thing, what does it do? I mean the weekly analysis I'm doing in live. Okay, narrative, I have already put two videos over there, Monday narrative and the Tuesday narrative. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I will put over there, then it will be done. The narrative folder will be done. Okay, fair value gap, I have to put so many other videos. It has already 8 videos, but I have to put so many videos. Macro, that is fully independent, and if you only study this one, you don't need any kind of high time frame analysis. Like this is kind of thing for the kid, for the under 18 people. So you can study that as well, because this is so precise and it is what it is. Okay, you guys can check that out. Trade analysis, that is actually previously when I have just opened my YouTube channel, I whenever I take entry, I would actually explain why I have taken that entry. And to execution, I actually just show you something over there. Let me just show you that execution. Okay, here this is the last live trade execution, and I told that I am going to quit to upload my live execution video from there. Okay, before there I had put some other, or I have deleted. Okay, there was copyright, something like that, so I have deleted the execution video. Only these two has to my channel, because of the copyright things. Okay, I have deleted, I mean I have moved other videos. So these two videos, after that I have quitted to upload the videos and to the live execution, because I can't be distracted when I took my live entry. That's why I have stopped to put live entry, or in the when I do the live entry I stop to record them. Okay, so this is the all folder, you can check, and I believe you will be benefited. Okay, okay, balanced. Okay, where from? I'm Bangladesh. I told you we're gonna get 1,000 likes soon. Oh, thank you, Afu. Thanks for that. Craig, is there a London session macro? No, brother, there is no London session macro. There is 4 macro: 950, 1010, 1050, 1110, 150, 210, 250, 310. Okay, the 4 macro, actually, that 4 macro works very perfectly. I mean, the similar way I put over there. There are near about 24 more macro in the market. They're little bit tricky, so I didn't actually put it over there. But later, if I have that much energy, I mean after maybe 1 or 2 months, I will quit this teaching thing, type of things, because I'm not getting time for my own execution, own trade. Okay, I'm not trading every day. Just I come in front of the market and I start to talk about the market. So soon, very soon, when I will be, my pocket will be empty, so then I will start my live trading again, and I will maybe quit this teaching things or something. In the meantime, I really want some of you will start to earn real money. I will give you the real way how to trade, and I hope that will be very soon. Okay, not so far, it will be very soon. Harsh Burman with the silver bullet. Silver bullet. I've already talked so many times what is silver bullet and how to trade. It is the most difficult thing in my opinion, but So many people I saw in the YouTube, they told silver bullet is very easy to trade. You can follow them, but when I will talk about the silver bullet, you will learn this is the most, this is the hardest part of the trading journey, because silver bullet is kind of thing that is the heart of a session. And if when you will trade the silver bullet, you need everything, the fair value gap things I am telling you, then the drawn liquidity, also the direction narrative, weekly bias, every single thing you will need. The macro also be needed, because silver bullet is surrounded by two macro. So you need all of that information before understanding the silver bullet. I'm sorry if I make you disappointed or demotivated. I'm really sorry, but it is the true thing. Whatever I'm telling you, that is the truth, and you can't deny that. One day we are gonna meet. Yeah, obviously we are going to meet. You need the requirement. You know the requirement. The requirement is you have to earn 200k USD. Here, look over here. You have to earn that. That is the requirement for our meeting. When you will earn this, I will meet with you, and I will ask a cup of coffee from you. I promise you, brother. I will do that, and I promise you, you can earn this if you just follow all the instruction I gave you. Not only the price action. Price action is nothing. You can just take buy sell. You can do that whole day, and still you will be profitable. Thing is your psychology. If you can work with your psychology, earning this much money, you even don't need 1 year. If you use the prop firm account, like the combine, you can say like the way combine, like I do the top step 50k combine, and also the now it is actually not combined anymore, uh, express funded account now. But before it was combined, so 50k combined and 10,000 ftmo. I only do trade these two accounts, but I am going to quit the prop firm. I'm going to self trade to the self funded account, to the AMP. I'm very soon I'm going to move to the self the AMP. Okay, so this much money, earning this much money within 1 year, it's nothing if you just follow the instructions I gave you. If you follow the thing I tell you, trust me, brother, I will never tell you something that will hurt you. If you don't trust me, I don't know how many times I gave you the proof that in the morning session I told you that, brother, I would take this entry. I was right? Everyone was over here. Where was that? Okay, here. When I took this entry, I told you that this time I was right, absolutely right. But I was telling you, okay, brother, why I am going to take that entry. Whenever I show you some profitable entry, then I tell you the truth. No, brother, I wouldn't take this entry to my prop firm account. I wouldn't take that entry. To my live account. Wouldn't do that. Why I told you that? So that you can expect the reality, the real thing. When you should take your entry, when you should avoid your entry. If you ever, every time look for entry, when you take this sell entry, maybe you are benefited here. Now you saw this entry and you get upset. Oh man, I missed this move. How far it went. It is very easy to say like that way when the move has already finished. If you would see this went lower and has taken the sell side liquidity over there, maybe very long move, it has taken this sell side liquidity. Okay, just think it happened. Then you are already stopped. You closed your entry over there. You will think, oh man, I moved this big entry. How many money I could earn? How much money I could earn from there if I would hold my entry until here? If you think like that way, you are never going to earn this money. Trust me, brother, you are never. You have to happy that you read the price from here. You were expecting some higher run, and when this setup has happened, you take the entry over there. You took some money from there. 54 handle. Do you think it's small? It's not small. It's near about, if you use one contract, near about, one contract is $50. So if you take the entry to the MP, it's near about $2,500. If you take to the top step, it's near about $1,200, something like that. If you just take one contract, if you take two contracts, just double the money. So can you imagine how much money is there? Just a little move. You have to be happy with this. You can't think I missed this move. Now, when you will think I missed this move, you will force the market to give you another setup. You will take the setup, you will take the loss. What will you lose? Whatever money you have earned here, you have already lose some of them. Then what will you think? Okay, whatever I have lost, I have made loss, I'm just going to mitigate that loss. You will take another loss. At the end of the day, you will see whatever you have gained from there, you have already lost all of them. I mean, lose all of them. Okay, so you have to work like that way. Inshallah, thanks by yours. No problem, brother. You over 200k in 2024. I hope, Domino. I hope that you just need to follow the instructions, nothing else. It is very thin. Precision at its finest. Yeah, you can say like that, Ravi. But I am always wrong. Okay, I am always wrong. FOMC, yeah, clear. Just wanted to confirm the high of the BSL. Okay, when price is going higher, I don't know how long it will go. Never expect the end of the move. Never expect the, I mean, where price will stop. I don't. You don't know also where it will stop. Never expect it. You will expect your run. Now, if you see from here, it has started to go lower. Is there any chance to take your sell? No, because it has already broken this 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. Also the daily fair value gap high. Also the new week opening gap. Everything has broken. Market is going higher. What is your confluences to take sell? If you see very nice market structure shift, what is your confluences over there that is telling you that your market will go low? There is nothing. Why you will take sell over there? Now you will take buy? No. Why? Where it is going? This is buy side liquidity. Do you know it will take the buy side liquidity? I don't know. Nothing is telling me that it is going over there to take that. Nothing. This is how you have to read the price. If you can't read the price, over here, look over here, where price is going. Anyone can tell me. No one can tell me where price is going. But at the weekend, I marked every level over there, right, in front of all of you guys. This is the how you will read the price. You will mark the level to your chart. Otherwise, it is very difficult, brother. I don't know. It is getting clear to you or not, but I believe that Elvis. Actually, I don't look Ace for. I mean, for our chart. I mean, for a chart, I really don't look at that. Okay, so I think, brother, that is different. And ICT, I saw that his video. I mean, his live streaming last week. Not last week. Yeah, last week or the day before yesterday. I don't remember. I saw that. And the thing is, I work with my expectation. I work with my narrative. I work with my price action. Where it is going, that is some kind of precision. You need some kind of precision. That is the thing. Even if I'm wrong with today, let me show you. I'm wrong, right? We got the expansion, but we got the expansion, it went higher. Retracement, it went higher again. So that is the expansion. We got the expansion. I am wrong about the direction. Still now I'm profitable. I'm profitable from morning. I'm profitable from evening. Did you notice that? I'm profitable from both of the place. Look over here. I'm profitable from here. All of you are my proof. You know I took my sell over there. I am profitable over here because I was telling you market is going higher, so it will go lower. So it went lower. I am profitable here and here. Though market is going higher, I am still profitable, and that is not a small profit. Huge. This is huge. I am profitable. So that is the power of the price action, and you have to understand how to read the price. I am doing it every day with you. If you don't mark the level I mark to my chart, you can't. You by watching my video, you will never learn this. If you don't believe me, try it by yourself. You will never learn this. You have to mark every level to your chart. Now you can ask me, brother, just copy paste. How did it help me? It will help you, brother. You don't need to think about that, but it will help you. Trust me. It will help you. I learned this that way. I marked every level ICT marked on his chart, on his live, or on his mentorship video. I did the same thing. Okay, so this is the way I have learned. This is the, you have someone you can ask the question. I had no one to ask the question. You get more, you are already benefited because you have at least someone who can give you the answer. I had no one, brother. You just need to do some homework. That's all, brother. I'm not concerned about the highest high, where it will go. I am not concerned about that. And I really don't go to a power chart because I don't make this thing complicated. That's why, brother, I have used limited time frame. Okay. What's up, brother? Hi, Amga. You are late. Brother, can you explain turtle soup in euro used? Turtle soup is some kind of things like you are expecting market will go higher. Okay. Just this for example, you are expecting market will go higher. So when it came to the to take the sell side liquidity, you will take the entry over there. Turtle soup, I can't trade. It is kind of the thing very difficult for me to trace because when it went lower to take the sell side liquidity, I really don't know how far it will go. Maybe it has taken this sell side liquidity, maybe it will take this sell side liquidity. I really don't know. So I really don't trade turtle soup, and it is very difficult for me. I can't take turtle soup entry. To be honest, brother, I am weak. I really don't like turtle soup. Whatever you say, I really don't know. So I shouldn't talk about the things I don't know. Thanks for the stream, bro. Lots of value. Thank you, Juhil. And Julian Silver Bullet, it's kinda easy though. You can say like that way, but in my opinion, Silver Bullet is the hardest thing. I mean, that is hard for me, but it can be easy for you. Okay, so uh, the run higher was also supported by DXY stopping at the 75% of the week or giving a 22 model end to the melting lower. Okay, let me check the DXY. I forgot about DXY. I forgot about that. Okay, let me. So it has taken this buy side liquidity and it has been rejected from the last fair value gap. It never break the constant encroachment of the last fair value gap. I will say like that way. I mean, I'm not going with your things, but I will go with my things that I am repeating. Okay, this is the last fair value gap which can hold the price before taking this buy side liquidity. So in my opinion, it has actually, I didn't watch the, I forgot about dollar index. Now I'm getting angry on me because I forgot about that. Whatever. So it has been rejected from the last fair value gap. It never broken, and then it went lower. Let me just check from the 15 minute. So this is the breakaway gap from 15 minute chart. Look, this high is the highest high. Okay, just let me mark that. Just let me mark. Okay, this is the last. Let me clean this one because I got the 15 minute, so I will go with the 15 minute. And this one is the, let me change the color. This is the low, I mean below the breakaway gap. Okay, now I will go over there. Let's see how we react over. There should be your entry. That should, the constant encroachment should be your, above that constant encroachment should be your stop loss. So this is the last fair value gap where should price come and then reverse to take the sell side liquidity. It worked perfectly over there. I will see like that way. Okay, Julian, and don't get mind, brother, because I am teaching you this. So I will tell you the thing I am watching. I'm just watching like that way. This is the breakaway gap, this is the lower gap. Price should come over there and then it should reject, and it has done over there. And I really, to be honest, I forgot about DXY. I never came back over here when price is going higher. That is kind of thing I really don't like. Sometimes I forget when I talk. You know, English is not mother language, so I am thinking about the word, then I'm talking. So many things. Okay, just FOMC. The question is for that BPR to be balanced. Once it comes back and reject the CE, it needs to take buy side liquidity for it to balance. Yeah, that's the thing, brother. I mean, uh, This is the just thing about this breakaway gap. Okay, this is the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. I need buy side. I got the buy side over here. Now it need to come back again to the top or to the consequent encroachment. Nobody can close below the consequent encroachment. Nobody. It can close at the level of consequent encroachment, but nobody can close below it. And then it has to go above and take the highest buy side liquidity. If it takes the buy side liquidity now, it is not balanced because I didn't get the rejection. Okay, I think you got your answer, brother. Okay, so price action is king. Thank you, brother. Is it helping me learn? Okay, thank you, Ravi. Thanks for that. That you think it is helpful. Why don't you do FX analysis if you have time to forex pair? I'm not doing forex pair. The reason is forex pair is doing some kind of manipulation things where I don't get the precision. I mean, in future market, you will see sometimes I put my stop loss very tight stop loss, and I'm confident that I'm not getting hit. But that type of things doesn't work in forex. If you take this entry, just for example, if you take your entry over there, in future you can just put your stop loss below the consequent encroachment. But if it would forex, I have to put my stop loss below this low. That is my thinking about forex. I know so many people over there who are showing you the forex entry or forex setup, but I'm really very weak in forex because I get stopped out most of the time in forex because of the manipulation. So many manipulation and no precise price action. Nothing is precise over there. Sometimes it works, sometimes most of the time it doesn't work. If you see someone is actually showing you every single day winning entry with the same rules, same loss rules, just refer me the link. I would like to learn from him. Okay, I mean, I really would like to learn from him. I am not like that type of people who doesn't want to learn. I want to learn, but I need something that works every day and that works same way. I have shown you over this dollar index. Just let me go over there. And Julian told me that it has been rejected from some kind of uh, price. I mean the week or something. The thing is, week is always the fair value gap. I told you already. It is always the fair value gap. But what I taught you, if you see the run, look, this is your buy side liquidity. Okay, this is the level of your buy side liquidity. This gap is not at the buy side liquidity, it is below the buy side liquidity. So this should be your breakaway gap, and this should be your second gap where price should come and then reject. Did price do that or not? I am telling you for last 1 month, this setup every single day. Today I have so many times I have shown you this. I mean 2 or 3 times I have told talk about this setup. So I'm actually showing you the thing that actually work every single day. I'm not telling you that today it is working, tomorrow I'm just changing my word. I'm not doing this. That's why I'm confident about 200k. It is possible. That's why I'm telling you this, that you will earn that, because the reason is it works every single day in every single market. Now, will it work 100% of the time? No, brother. Don't expect that it will work 100% of the time. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't work. How many times it will work? 80 to 90% you will see it works. 10% or 20% time it doesn't work. It doesn't work, brother. I take losing trade. I take it, but very rare. You will see, when you will follow the rules, you will take the losing trade rarely. Okay, that is the difference. I hope you got the point. And why don't you? Okay, I gave you the answer, Julian. Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you, Julian. And please don't mind, brother, because whatever you told me about the 4 hour chart, I really don't want to like go to 4 hour chart. I want to make my chart simple. I mean, very low time frame, daily, hourly, 15 minute, 1 minute. Most of the time, you will see I am in daily chart, 15-minute chart. I'm doing all my analysis in only 15-minute chart. I'm going 1 minute chart for my execution. No other time frame. When you will just go different time frame, you will be confused. If you don't trust me, you can try it by yourself. When you have only two time frame or three time frame, it is very easy to track the price. Okay, I hope you will get it, and please don't mind, brother. It is what it is. Okay, brother, can you make a telegram group for discussion? Oh, Singh, actually there was a discord group, music, what was his name? I forgot his name, I'm sorry. There was a I mean that discord group. If you go to my Twitter, if you go to my Twitter and to the Twitter profile, and guys, I always give you the reply, so don't think I'm kind of person who is here and I'm just telling you something. Don't like that way, don't think like that way. Okay, I give you the reply. I don't know who messaged, oh, we messaged me. I will reply him later. So look over here, if you come to my Twitter, to the post I have pinned, this is my Facebook account actually, and you will get the Discord link here. I saw the Discord link here. Here. Okay, here. This of the Discord link where I am also over here. So you guys can join here. I am very noob in social media. I really don't know how to use so many social media. I only use Twitter, Facebook page, and the YouTube. Okay, and I'm really noob. Okay, but if you want to join over there, we discuss something over there. So that would be the, yeah. There is a group. Yeah, Martin, thank you. Just tell him about the Discord group or something. I think you can join over there. Okay, Forex based mentor. Okay, what does it do? I mean, look at the week. So you are talking about the week. I will go over there. I want to see. Okay, that the thing is over there. This is the highest week. I will mark this week only. In my opinion, that is the week that should be. Okay, this is the week, and what you actually told this week. I mean, this week. Let me borrow the line there, there. I don't know, Julian, which week you are talking about. This week is not valid for me. This week is valid. If you, I would like to mark the constant enforcement, that is the valid week, or I will go with this week. I will go for that week because that is also the highest week. Both of that case, I really don't know how to match that on. But in my opinion, the thing is, if you go to the hourly chart, you can say this is the last fair value gap. This is my opinion. Okay, I'm not telling you are right, I'm wrong, I'm right, you are wrong. I don't want to go over that conversation. This is the last fair value gap. It should hold the price. If if it can hold the price and send it back to the low, take the sell side liquidity, it will be okay. Overall, I'm expecting the lower run this month. Why? Because from the monthly analysis we know there was a fair value gap. I explained everything over to my weekly analysis in Sunday. You can check that Sunday live actually. Okay, so is 11 breakaway gap balanced in Nasdaq? Forex best mentor. Oh, who? Suman Mota bhai. Forex best mentor. Who is Forex best mentor? I don't trade Forex. I don't see Forex. So I'm not the. I don't know to whom you are talking about, but I'm not Forex trader. So just let me check the 11. So the 11. So this is the gap you are talking about. Let me check actually it is balanced yet or not. I need the buy side first. So I got the buy side over there. Now I need some kind of rejection from the constant cost, and that should take the sell side. Okay, it is balanced. It is balanced, brother. Look, this two candle has rejected from the constant encroachment or the lower part of this fair value gap. I got the buy side liquidity over there. So this thing has rejected from there and has taken the sell side liquidity over there. So it is balanced. This fair value gap is balanced. Hmm, what's the Discord about? I don't know, brother, what is Discord about, but there are so many people they have been joined over there. I mean, they discuss, we all discuss about some confusion or something. I mean, I really don't know how to describe everything, but you can check that out, okay, brother? I mean, I don't think there is something with relation with the money. There is nothing related with the money or signal or entry setup, okay? Nothing about that. If I am there, there is only price action. No signal, no money, nothing. You can trust me, okay? Okay. Thanks, brother. No problem, Jill. Please no advertisement in the group. Yeah, please no advertisement as well because Martin told us we just started. Yeah, Martin, please tell him that what is that. I really don't know, but I'm also over there. Why don't you use funded account? Why don't you use funded? Obviously, I use funded account. I mean, I trade funded account to my top step and the FTMO. I take trade over there. Last month maybe I took three entry. One entry I got $20. One entry I got near about 400 something, $430 something, and another trade maybe I stopped at 200 something like that. Because I am here in front of you guys every single day from 8 a.m. New York local time until the end of the day. So I, Julian, I told you that if you just go to my Twitter from Twitter, I mean the post I have pinned. Look over here, the pin post. You go over there and maybe inside this show. I mean the more this is the Discord group. The best trade is no trade. He has I mean posted the link over there, the Discord link. You can join from there. Okay. I mean the link is over there. Okay. So you can join over there. And Shuman, that was the reason I trade in my uh, Profam account, but I'm going to quit trading over there, and I will be the self-funded account. I mean trader, okay, AMP. So if later if I ever do the live after completing the study section, you will see there is no paper trading. Instead of the paper trading, you will see there is the AMP. Okay, I'm expecting that, and in that case, I will put my this one I will put over here right now. It is my bad habit actually. I always put it over there. That is helpful for me. I'm used to with this like that way, so I put it over there. Don't think I'm just hiding this paper into something, not like that way. I just used to put it over there. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, I posted a link. It is just question and answers, but it's okay, much okay. Yeah, Julian, you can join over there, brother, and could enter the Robin's Cup trading competition, you would feel it. Kevin, I'm really very much. I am just waiting to see that Michael is going to break Larry Williams' record. I'm just waiting for that, brother. To be honest, Kevin, I'm just waiting for him to celebrate the record-breaking winning. I'm waiting that. I really love ICT. I think he is the best. In my opinion, he is the best. Until he talked about something about the Muslim, I don't respect him regarding of the religious side. Okay, I mean, to be honest, I respect him every other way except the religious way. Okay, because he talked about some I didn't like. Talked about the Muslim things. I really didn't like that. So, except the religious, I want him to beat everybody. I want to see that, okay? Brother, you are taking fun. You are doing fun, brother. I know nothing about price action. Nothing, to be honest, brother. No need signal, bro. Signals are crap. Yeah, thank you, Apu, for understanding. I will never do that. I mean, the signals, I will never do that. But entry, I will teach you how to take the entry, perfect entry. I will teach you, uh, who is that? uh, I will teach you how to manage the trade. I will teach you how to trial the stop loss. I will teach everything. Okay, I use the bad word, I mean not teaching. I will share my understanding about all of that concept. Okay, entry concept, then the trade management concept. Do you think it is going to break this low and it is going to actually shifted the market structure? I don't think, I don't believe that. I really do not want to see like that way the market. Okay, though it is after 4, there is nothing to do right now, but if it would do that and then it will continue to go lower, I'm not interested of that, because this is a random place. I don't want to see the reversal from a random place. This is the way you will learn all of this thing. Don't worry, I will share every information with you. Don't worry. Okay, and I will just complete. Okay, stop commenting, don't comment. Okay, I would like to complete the reading the comment, then I will close my session. Okay, please, no more comment. I don't want no more comment. Okay, no needs in. Okay, okay, good. Does balance price range work same for breakaway gap as well, or is it only for fair value gaps? Squash, breakaway gap is also a fair value gap. Okay, the lowest fair value gap or the highest fair value gap is called breakaway gap. It is just a breakout, I mean fair value gap. It is actually the fair value gap. I mean the breakaway gap is actual fair value gap. Okay, so don't be confused. It should be balanced. Breakaway gap, it should be balanced the way other fair value gap balance get balanced. Okay, this is the same. Please stop commenting. I really want to close the session. Please don't comment. Okay, I'll just keep complete to read your comment, then I will close the session. ICT won't enter, you should. Oh man, you are just taking fun. You are doing fun, brother. Don't do that. I am no one. No, please, no competition. I do not understand that competition. Perhaps kind of ego. Yeah, it's true, Martin. It's absolutely true. I mean, this type of competition, it will harm you. It will break your psychology. It will break everything. Whatever you will learning from here or anyone anywhere else, it will break everything, and you will be a loser. I mean, if you don't have very strong psychology, but ICT is ICT. Okay, so he is different. I'm not talking about ICT. I'm talking about us. If we people go for the competition, we will break our rules. We will come back again as a loser, and we will continuously keep losing. So, in my opinion, competition is competition, and also the prop firm. This is kind of trap, in my opinion, because previously I really didn't understand why ICT don't trade to the prop firm. Now I do understand why he doesn't trade into the prop firm, because this is kind of trap. It will force you, it will give you some restriction, and if you are restricted, you are not able to, you will be never able to be a profitable trader. I mean, not profitable, I mean the what to say, I mean, freedom. In trading I need freedom. I want to, I want to fly on the sky. My limit should be the sky. So that is the thing. Okay, Breaker, I have to go now. Okay, brother, everything is done. Okay, thank you very much for being with me. I'm also going to close my session, but I want to just complete reading your comments. After that, I will just complete. Okay. Did price action gave a good reason to take a short in the morning today? Yeah, right. Yeah, I have shown you the thing. Discord link is expired. Martin, can you please check that Discord link it is working or not? Can you please check that? In the morning session, that was that was the trade. I explained it publicly, right? I was waiting from here. I was telling you, I mean, I was telling you when it was going higher. I was telling you how long it can go and when we should take entry. I take the entry. So I have, I didn't manage my trade in front of you perfectly, but I showed you how to take this entry and why I was waiting. I told you everything. In the morning session, that was a perfect entry. I don't know you were with me or not, but it is okay, Jillian. If you weren't with me, okay, I will look. Okay, brother, thank you. If it doesn't work, please, comment over there again. Then I will delete the previous one. Okay. And Jill, I hope it will work. You can take a look later. Best ICT trading book name, please. ICT trading book. Oh man, ICT didn't release his book. I am waiting to buy his book, but he didn't release his book yet. So when he will release his book, I will announce it to my channel. I hope before anyone else, I will announce that ICT has released his book. Let's buy the book and get everything from the book. I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting eagerly. I think more than anyone else, I'm waiting for his book. He didn't release, okay? So Shuman, you have to wait. I mean, more time for getting that book. Okay, so I have done reading comment, and it was a very nice evening with you guys. That was the price action. If you think it helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up. The thumbs up things, I like things, okay? And if you want, you can share. I mean, guys, can you help me to share some video link or something so that new people can come over here? I mean, they can know how to join. I really don't understand this type of things, but if you have any way to share some place so that new people can come over here, I'll be grateful to you guys, okay? So that's the thing, brother. And please subscribe to my channel. If any of you are new, subscribe to my channel. I will try to talk tomorrow again. So see you guys. Good night.